this video, we are going to look at some algebraic linear inequalities. An inequality is a mathematical sentence that usually compares two expressions using either a greater than sign or a less than sign. Sometimes we use greater than or equal and less than or equal. So let me give you some examples. So, for example, 5 is greater than 3. 7 is less than 10. Could be that a plus 5, being an expression, is greater than or equal to 20. This kind of example is 3 is less than or equal to x. Okay, there's some examples. All right, let's have a look at the visual representation of inequalities. So for example, if I want to represent on a number line that x is greater than 3, for example, so I'll just write x is greater than 3, I'm saying that it's not equal to 3, so I'm going to use an open circle, and then we use what's called a ray with an arrow pointing in the direction, because it's greater than, so it's going off in that direction. I'll just do one that involves a closed circle. That means that x is greater than or equal to a number. So I'll just say x is greater than or equal to -1, and I'll show you that on a number line. So I'm going to use a closed circle this time because it's including that value. So when it includes -1, we colour the circle in and then literally show a ray or a line with an arrow on it in the direction where the solution is. Alright, so I'm now going to do an example where there's two solutions. So let's look at if x is less than or equal to -1 and x is greater than or equal to 3. So on a number line, because it's included in both of these, we've got the less than or equal sign. I'm going to do a closed dot on both these numbers. So yeah, now it's less than or equal to -1, so it's that direction, and it's also greater than or equal to 3.